the scissors in the classroom. So I'm going to read a few pages to you. This is a book that starts off like this. Silly little scissors, she likes to play around. When teachers call for cutting time, she's nowhere to be found. She's cutting up our crayons with colors everywhere. There are colors in our boxes, colors on our chairs. Oh my goodness. She's not doing the right thing. Let's see what else. Silly little scissors, she likes to play around. When teacher calls, it's cutting time. Oh, where can she be found? Sneaking under building blocks, hiding in the back, she finds a quiet resting place underneath a stack. Let's see where she is. Oh, there she is, hiding underneath a stack of blocks in the classroom. Dropping in our dress-up chest, she really makes a mess, trying on disguises and cutting up a dress. Oh my goodness! She slips into our cubbies, clipping as she goes, cutting up our hats and scarves, mixing up our clothes. Oh my goodness, she is not good. Playing chef and restaurant at our kitchen stations, carrots and potatoes fly, slicing up creations. Oh, look, she's making a stew or something, right? Trimming round the arts and crafts, our silly little scissors finds paper in the drawing tray for snipping out designs. Oh, she's snipping out a nice heart. She says, I love you. Even in our sandbox set, she drags a path with clips. Round a sandy bend she goes. It's a curvy trip. Look at her going in the... Does anybody know who that is? That's Little Pencil from our other book. In our cozy corner, a place to read and stay, she finds a book and cuts a page. Oh, what will teacher say? And Silly stole the sidewalk chalk without a single sound. She drew a giant scissors on our outside playing ground. Look at that! She drew scissors outside. She thinks that we cannot see that mischief-making tool. Catch me if you can, she yells. I'm hiding in your school. Oh, silly little scissors, will you come out to see? We're cutting now, it's learning time, so please come play with me. See, the children are calling her. I'll carry you with fingers folded round your pointy end. Oh, see, this is how we carry our scissors, round the pointy end. Let's see what else. Oh, and hold you with my fingers here. My thumb goes round the bend. See that? The fingers go around in the little part. I'll open and I'll close you. It's snipping time today. Remember that my thumb goes up so we can safely play. So I wonder what Silly Scissors is going to do, don't you?